Welcome to How to Play Sequence. To play, you'll need 3 dice and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored by getting a sequence with the dice. Each sequence scores the total value of the numbers in the sequence. The first player will start the game by rolling all 3 dice. The player will then decide which dice to keep and which to re-roll. Wade decides to keep the 5 and re-rolls the other 2 dice. After the first re-roll, the player again gets to decide which dice to keep and which to re-roll. Wade decides to keep the 3 and 4 to create a sequence of 3, 4, 5. Wade will not take his third and final roll. When a player is able to get a sequence, the points for that sequence is scored. Wade scores the 12 points. The dice move to the next player to take their turn. Diana starts by rolling all 3 dice. Diana decides to keep the 1 and 2 and will re-roll the third dice. Diana rolls a 1 and decides to re-roll it again. Diana rolls a 2 and is unable to get a sequence with her 3 rolls. Diana scores 0 for this turn. The dice move to Peter. Players continue to roll and keep score. Players will decide before the game how to determine the winner. They can play that the first player to reach 50 points or more wins the game, or they can play that the player with the highest score after 10 rounds is the winner. If you enjoyed learning how to play sequence and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.